Hey everybody, welcome to the Sketch app. In this video, we're gonna to design the splash screen so we can start from the small things to make you more easy in the Sketch app. Because I wanna make you comfortable when you are using the Sketch app. So just create new document and don't forget to create new pages. Just click here and double click to the apps. And after that, just press A or go to Insert, Add Board, and select the material design which is mobile. Okay. And after that, I want to change this artboard name to the splash, and we need to save our document to make it more safe. So we go to Desktop, Fashion App, and New Folder, Project, and you can give the name Master. So right now, you don't need to worry about the crash, about the bug. So your file is safe right now. You just need to design and save. So right now, we will design the splash screen. Just press R on your keyboard to create the rectangle and give the name to the BG. And don't forget to group the layer background splash. BG means background, so BG underscore splash. In the Android, you can't use the dash like this. Okay, so make sure that if you have the another name, you can use BG splash or BG underscore splash. Okay, and we need to remove the border and change the fill color to the another color. So I will use the blue color like this. The hash code is 1D345F. So after that, we will create the icon for our application. So just press U or go to Insert, Save and Rounded, and we create the width is 100 and the height is 100, and we want to make it to the center like this, and just remove the border, change the fill color to the white, and after that we need to group this rectangle icon splash. Okay, so you understand about the name of the layer for development, so it's gonna be easy. Don't let just group, don't. At least you need to give the name whatever you want, but make sure that the name is not grouped, and by using the underscore if you have more than one word. Okay, and after that we will create the here something. So we're going to insert, shape and rectangle, and I'm gonna to zoom my artboard. So we create here and remove the border and select the rectangle tool and rectangle and make it to center like this. So right now we go to edit and press command in your keyboard, so you will get the middle of the, so you can click here like this and click here and like this. Okay, so you finish editing and you will get the symbol of the icon like this. But right now I wanna to create new rectangle, so just press R on your keyboard and like this, and remove the border and select the rectangle 3 and 2 and make it group, and open the group, and rectangle 2 we need to masking, And in the rectangle tree, we need to change the color, this one, and make it more softly. And in the rectangle 2, we need to change the color to this. Okay, so you will get the basic icon like this. If you have another idea to make the icon for your application, it doesn't matter. So from me, this is the sample icon app. So we are ready to create the splash screen. In the next, we need to create the get started pages.